Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the SFC Scannow command if it gets stuck at 100% on Windows 11. If the scan has reached 100% but never finishes, the first thing you should try is clicking inside the command prompt window and pressing the Enter key a few times. Sometimes the command has already finished, but the window stops updating. Pressing Enter can refresh the display and allow the process to complete. If that does not help, you should repair the Windows system image using the DISM tool. Open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Then type the following command and press Enter: dsm/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Wait for the scan to finish. This tool checks Windows system files and downloads healthy replacements if corruption is found. Once it is complete, restart your computer and run the SFC scan again. If the problem still continues, check your drive for file system errors. Open Command Prompt as Administrator again, type the following command, and press Enter: chkdsk/r. If Windows asks to schedule the scan for the next restart, type Y and press Enter. Then, restart your PC. Windows will scan the drive, repair file system problems, and attempt to recover data from damaged sectors. After the disk check is finished, run the SFC/Scannow command again. Thanks for watching.